This is the ABC7 SoCal Spotlight, brought to you by Auto Insurance Specialists.
Today we are putting the spotlight on something that affects us all: rising car insurance rates. Now, if you live in LA, there's a good chance you drive a car and have to keep up with the mandatory insurance. Like many ABC7 viewers, you're feeling the impact of rising insurance rates. I know I am, especially here in the Southland. Car insurance rates have been steadily increasing over the past few years. Now, according to the California Department of Insurance, many large insurers have been granted rate increases as much as 6% a year for the past few years. Some companies have increased 12% or more since 2015, and industry experts expect more increases this year. Joining us this morning from Auto Insurance Specialists are V&A and Tony. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for coming down and joining us.
Thank you.
Now we're going to jump straight in here. Are you guys ready to play Ask AIS?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Good, because I hit the streets and asked some questions, and here they are.
My insurance rates have risen a lot over the past few years. Why do my premiums keep going up, and what can I do about it?
That's a very good question. We hear that a lot. And assuming nothing has changed with your car or driving record, your vehicle is going to cost more to fix this year than it did last year. Why is that? Well, because the parts are in demand. You got the new model. Now they're starting to get dents and scrapes and scratches, so it costs more to repair it. Plus, you've got the high-tech model.
It's true, I do.
Do you have Bluetooth in your car?
I have Bluetooth, and I even have one of those cameras that helps me when I'm
The
reversing.
backup, the rear view camera. And you also have a little bit of gold in there. Did you know that?
I did not. Where is it? How do I scratch it out?
Well, it's embedded in the steering wheel. It's in the airbag.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else? What else? Why?
Another reason cost continues to increase is due to the amount and severity of car accidents due to distracted driving. We all done it before. We look at our cell phone, we're drinking coffee on our way to work. Distracted driving really has taken our eyes off the road and away from the vehicle in front of us.
So are rates from most insurance companies about the same?
Absolutely not. Rates for the same driver can vary widely from company to company. There are hundreds of companies, so you can have hundreds of rates. I think most people would be surprised to see how much a rate can vary for them from company to company, which is why it's important for them to shop around.
Okay, ready for the next question?
Yes.
Sure.
Here it comes.
What's basic insurance, and is that what I should have?
Most people consider basic insurance or minimum insurance what the state of California requires as mandatory insurance, which is liability insurance. For most drivers, this isn't enough. There's no coverage for damage to your car or any other asset. Your agent can provide some guidance and make sure you have the protection you need without overpaying for any coverage that you don't need.
Okay, well, our next question comes in the form of a tweet, and it is: my neighbor has the same car as me and we live on the same street, but he pays less. Why is that? Why? This one drives me crazy. Why does he get to pay less and I don't?
It goes much further than the same car living on the same street. It's important to understand that driving experience, for example, someone who's had their license longer than their neighbor will get a better rate. Someone who drives less to work will get a better rate. For example, if your neighbor drives 5 miles to work and you drive 25 miles, that's a huge rating factor. Discounts. You know, it's hard for you as a consumer to understand what discounts you deserve. We live and breathe discounts. We are always looking for discounts because we don't succeed unless we're giving you a great price. That's what we love to do.
There you go, another reason to call AIS. Here is another question.
How often should I check my rates?
It's a good idea to check your rates once a year or anytime there's been major changes in your rates or in your life. You got a new job, you're driving a new car, you got married. This is where AIS can help you. We'll do the work. We'll shop your rates with different companies until we find the lowest rate for you.
You're going out of your way to make our lives easy.
Oh, yes,
Right?
absolutely.
It really is easy. I checked my rates online. It was fast. I answered a few questions. Nothing too personal. It was, you know, my name, address, type of car, etc. And literally within seconds, many rates were displayed with easy to see price options. There were even different levels of coverage, and I was just a click away from talking to a rep to ask questions and purchase a new policy. It really, really was easy. Tony, V&A, how can our viewers get in touch with AIS?
It's actually super simple. You can go online 24 hours a day to AISinsurance.com, or you can call us 888-771-4AIS.
Y también estamos dispuestos y encantados de ayudarles en español.
Perfecto. Tony, V&A, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you, everyone. Have a great day, and remember to drive safely.